this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Yes. Now guys, for my faithful family members, you all know I love you very much. And today guys, as you can see, we are in the kitchen, and it has been a while since I've been in the kitchen. In the summertime, I'm not much of a cook. Like, I don't usually like to cook that much in the summer because it's already super hot outside, and just having the stove and the oven on just makes the house hotter. And so, but of course we have to eat, and we don't want to constantly be eating out. And so of course I do cook, just not as much. So today I will be showing you guys a cooking video. But before we get into the cooking portion of the video, I wanted to share with you all a product that I received. And this is the Sakuchi Cookware set. And let's go ahead and open it, and I will show you guys what's inside. So this is the 25-piece set. So there's lots of items in this little box. So first we have here some cutlery. So there's 4 of these cutlery sets. Four of those. So let's see what's inside. So it's a knife and fork, and they are in chrome color. So I'm sure each of these are the same. So we probably won't waste time opening each one. Yeah. So because there's 4 of them, that's a set of 4. So a fork and a knife, set of 4. So that's really nice. The packaging is very nice also. Next, we have in here some placemats. Now those are very nice. And guys, these are like that, kind of like, I think of this as a summertime material. It's kind of like a vinyl. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it other than like a vinyl. But I like how it has this tricolor effect with the light gray, the medium gray, and then a dark gray here at the bottom. Very nice. This will look very elegant and chic. So I like that a lot. And you get 2, 4 placemats here. So that's really nice. And here is the little instruction care guide here. And here we have the lids to the pots. So they don't have the handles on there, so I'm sure they're inside here. So that's 1, 2, 3 different size lids here. And then next here, this is the little frying pan. And look at how nice this is, guys. It's really nice. You have a pair of tongs in here. And I like the ones with the rubber on the ends of it. That helps to protect your cookware set. Oh, these are the knobs for the lids. Yeah, so just standard knobs like that. So I'll put those on there and show you guys the set once it's all put together. And here's a little pot, a little saucepan here. Then a larger pot, like a stock pot. And there's some cooking utensils. We have a larger frying pan here. Really nice. And there is a grill pan. So this is really nice. Grill pan, awesome. And in here, let's see, what's this? Oh, these are the handles for the larger pots. Yeah. So those are the handles for those. So these are all the handle pieces. These are the handles to go on your pots like that. So all of those are in here for that. So let me go ahead and get the handles and everything, and I'll be right back. So if you have any questions about this Sakuchi cookware set, then leave them in the comments down below. And if you'd like more information and more details, check my description box for all the details and a discount code. Now let's go ahead and move into the cooking portion of this video. And today we're going to be making gumbo. Yes, one of our southern favorites. Okay, so for our crab boil, or seafood boil rather, I have a large stock pot, as you can see here on the stove, and I have it filled with about 2 cups of water. So just a little bit, not too much so far, but I'm going to go ahead and add in some seasonings and onions to get this started. So here's the items, seasonings that we'll be using. I'm about to add in the chopped onions. You can use fresh ones if you want, but I'm going the easy route. I'm going to use a whole stick of butter. I have this Louisiana crawfish and shrimp crab boil. I have some chicken bouillon cubes there, Old Bay seasoning, some minced garlic, Tony Chachere's Slap Your Mama. I'm going to use a couple of capfuls of this same Louisiana crawfish boil, but this one is a liquid and this one is a powder. And then we have some salt, some sea salt back there, and garlic powder. So we're going to put all of that into our pot and get it boiling. Okay guys, so now for the seafood, I have 2 boxes, so actually a total of 4 pounds of these Atlantic red crabs. I picked those up at Walmart. I have a large bag of raw shrimp that's already been peeled, deveined, and the tails off. And I did get the large size. And this is a large bag, so it's 2 pounds also. And then I did grab this seafood festival bag, which includes shrimp, snow crabs, and mussels. And it has a special seasoning blend, but I won't be using that because I'm gonna make my own. And so this bag is 3 pounds. So we have our corn and sausage and potatoes in the pot boiling. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the seafood in now. So guys, here I've removed the corn, shrimp, and sausage from the pot, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in our seafood festival mix. And so the only thing that's still in the pot are the crabs. So let's go ahead and add those in. Guys, one thing I will say about this seafood mix is that it already is in, the seasoning is already in it. I did not know that. So we're gonna just work with it and see. I turned the fire down some on it, but I turned it back up now. We're gonna go ahead and just add this in. Not sure how that might change the flavor that I already had going, because you can see these have seasoning on it already, but that's okay. We're gonna roll with it. So now I'm going to use some of the same ingredients to make a dipping sauce. So you can see all of the items that we have here: garlic, bouillon cubes, some water, salt, butter. And we're gonna put all of that in a saucepan and just mix it all up together. Then we're gonna let it just simmer until the seafood boil is ready. Okay guys, and the seafood boil is ready. You see I added in a few eggs. You know, we had some in the fridge and I thought, let me just throw a couple of those in there also. And yes, everything is ready. It smells amazing and it looks so delicious. We cannot wait to eat. Now that I have everything plated, I'm adding on top some of our dipping sauce. Now it's totally up to you if you want to pour it over the top or if you just want to have some off to the side. I like to do a little bit of both, so I'm adding some on top, and then every now and again I might dip some of the crab meat into the sauce on the side. But guys, does this not look mouth-watering and so delicious? Yes. Guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, it helps when you leave comments. So leave a comment down below to let me know what you think about everything you've seen here today. Also, again, if you are interested in this Sakuchi cookware set, check my description box down below for details. Alrighty guys, so for my faithful family members, thank you so much for always tuning in and supporting us here on the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Alrighty guys, so I'll look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.